Today I finally got around to removing this unholy abomination of an ignition lock on the w124 project. You can see the extent of the silicon-in wiring harness in the back of this ignition lock. There was no way that was going to stand, so I decided to change out that connector and refit the original Bowden cables so that it locked the handle as originally intended. What I did with the connector that I salvaged off a donor car was write down the pinout. It seems to be universal on the 124's, and fortunately it all matched up on this one as well. This is not an easy job. These wires are quite rigid, and you have to not only get them in the right locations, but you have to really get them in the right order of installing them in those locations as well. Otherwise, the cable just doesn't fit inside the housing properly. This is the first attempt I made. I actually did it again off camera. But once I got it all located correctly, it did snap together quite easily. So this is how it was, just as I was about to snap the back cover on. That was the best way I could do it, and it ended up working just fine. And that's the final product. One repaired ignition switch harness. Now I can go ahead and install that correct late version ignition lock assembly. And this is what it looks like when it's fully installed. No more silicon, plugged in properly. With a Bowden cable. And just to demonstrate, no key, foot on brake, shifter is locked. That's how it should be. Now, with the key and foot on brake, the shifter is unlocked. Job done.